Hi guys, Serene Home here, tackling another design project. We are working on a client's home while he is away in Florida. This is his guest bedroom remodel. We're actually working on the guest bedroom, guest bathroom, and a few other rooms as well, including his master. This project right now, you're seeing before pictures. We see the walls kind of undone. We're replacing some lighting, adding some lighting, etc. And here you can see the light installed and the paint on the walls. It already looks so much better. I employed Josh from Custom Remodeling to help me hang these Amazon window treatments, which actually turned out to be really nice. We later on will be installing in this video in the same day these really beautiful curtains. They're pinch pleated and I got those from Amazon as well. You can get them in all different sizes. We were hard at work all day. It took so long.
Block of dust. See, when you drill, you get man glitter all over your face. No fucking damn it.
I haven't broken any nails today. Not today.
Not yet.
Not today, Satan. So these are like the semi-custom. So we want to make sure that they're just kind of brushing the floor, and I'm actually this. So we're going at a full 96, Josh, and then probably a foot out, but I'll need a tape measure. So Josh was just fighting me because he was like, oh, it should be 98 off the ground.
Yeah.
I'm sure 98 off the ground. A little pro hack for you if you're looking to make your windows seem wider and grander, you should take your rod and extend it out past your casing and then taller than your casing of your window. This will make the window seem bigger, bulkier, and just more grand. Yeah, we went a foot outside the casing on either side. Wait.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Hang on.
He literally just tossed that on.
Boom.
Get the heck out of here.
All right, maybe a 16th. Well, if I...
Going off it, I'm giving this one.
All right, yeah.
I'm giving. Good job, Joshua. So I'm here with TJ. Hi. So we're remodeling this guest bedroom. We got these up, Josh and I. These are these Roman shades. And now we're going to be constructing the bed. We're going to be putting up the other curtains. It's going to be a lot. So we'll keep you posted during the entire process. This is a budget project, so most of the items here, our client wanted to opt for relatively inexpensive items. The bed that we're putting together is from Wayfair. We're together a bed here for my client. What we're trying to do is we're trying to put these items together because we actually purchased them off of Wayfair, Home Depot, a bunch of other places. Some of them were actually from Amazon. We'll see how the quality is, kind of rolling the dice every time we do this. So we're here putting the bed together and then we're going to stage the rest of the room. So stay tuned. These blinds are actually purchased from Amazon. So these were purchased from Amazon seller. I can list the link so that people can use them. The only thing I don't like about them is that you actually have to push up on them so they're not like a tension release. So they're a little awkward when you're playing with them, and I can show you that a little later. But right now, we're getting to work. Don't really like that there's these pieces in the back that you can see, but that's kind of normal with any of these. Have that in the back. And this is how they look, which is somewhat normal. But there's no film in the back, so it doesn't really filter anything. It's a bad day to have acrylics on, let me tell you. Strong, independent women. Just getting in here, getting dirty, rolling our sleeves up. So can we all just take a moment to point out the fact that we're both wearing jeans. Past 3 times that we have seen each other for work, we've worn the exact same, like not the exact same outfit, but like pretty darn close. I bet you're all wondering, how many blondes does it take to put together a bed? The truth is we could have used a third because we put it together improperly at first, but we made it and it looks beautiful. Now on to the window treatments. These are the pinch pleat curtains I was telling you about. It's absolutely beautiful how these are made. These are an Amazon purchase and they come pleated for you. So you can see that there's that 2-finger pleat, and I will add the links below. I am always, always, always on the go. You girlies that get it, get it. Running, sometimes I try to meal prep, but I just can't do it some days. This week has been already a nightmare and it's only Monday. So this is one of my favorite go-to snacks. It doesn't have a ton of protein, but with 6 grams, no gluten, no dairy, and only 1 gram of sugar, no added sugar. This is one of my favorite go-to snacks. Comes in a few different flavors. I want to say it's like 3 different flavors. This is the double dark chocolate. It's really good. Highly recommend. Try them out. So I'm here at my client's house. We are almost done with this room, I don't want to show you too much because I want it to be a surprise. I'm going to be hanging the window treatments, the rest of that. I also got a very special surprise for my client. This is on me. Can't wait for him to see it. He has no idea that it's happening. It's just a little something in his guest bathroom. He has this niche here, so what I'm doing is I put that in the back. I installed it. It's actually peel and stick. They're really easy. Well, if you do it properly. And then, so this all needs to be cut around. And then we're going to get this marble Carrera sill. It's going to match what we have going on in this deco accent here. And we're also going to have shelves in the corner. But then we're going to have this little shelf here. So I can put out, he's not going to put anything out because he's a man. I can put out decorative things for his guests. So yeah, that's the update for today. Super, super, super excited. Can't wait to show you more. Yeah. So the other day I was with TJ in this bedroom, kind of getting things together. We didn't get to hang all these curtain rods, so I was finishing up late into the evening. We're kind of on a deadline at this point, so everything needs to be kind of rushed, and I am getting my hands dirty, obviously, as you can see, rolling up my sleeves. Look how pretty it turned out. I'm just leaving my client's house. We're making some small changes, and I'm actually working on a little surprise for him. Should have seen that in one of the clips, and I'm really excited for him to see it because it's going to be cute. So I'm going to be able to decorate the area. He probably actually won't even care if like he was married. He's divorced, so it's just like a single male. And if he was married, his wife would probably care, but like I don't even know if he's going to care because he's a dude when it comes down to it. But I care because it's going to look fantastic. And also his guests are going to care too. So it's going to look great. So just keep on following. We're going to go into the other room. Get a view of that.
Oh, I love it.
That's really lovely. Okay, so your question is... So here is a semi-custom sink. So these are purchased, pre-made. They're furniture style. They're beautiful. The brand is going to be listed in the comments below. The only issue with these is that there are always little quirks with how you can install the sinks. So anytime you're working with something semi-custom, you are limited. So my guy is simply making sure that the countertop and sink that we are going to be installing is installed correctly.
That's so pretty.
Let's look at the bathroom.
So this is what we do. We're always on the phone. We hardly work. We're just on the phone.
Sorry.
That's good.
Thank you. Where's my accent?
Sorry.
It's gonna have the
yeah,
LED.
350.
Yeah, so there's
Yeah.
an LED strip
You don't need it that
the
long.
entire way. It has a little mother of pearl in here.
Yeah.
And then you can see, oh, sorry, you got my broken nail in there. My nail lady's always yelling at me. So you can see like the mother of pearl in here. That's going to be illuminated once we have that LED strip on it. So it's going to bring out some of those natural colors. Okay, so we are working on staging the rest of the room. We're going to be cleaning up in here. We're missing a few items. Like we're supposed to have a TV over here. We're going to also have like a little sofa. It's not really a sofa. It's almost like a bench with a back on it. So it's going to be up against this wall. But we're going to stage what we can for right now, and then the other items will be later, so we'll go through all of that with you. Sheets and the duvet covers from Ball and Branch. They're so soft, and what I really like about them is they actually have a zipper instead of all the buttons. Like, why do they have buttons on every duvet? Like, why would you do that? Anyway, we're going to show you how it's done. We're going to start here with quilt.
Yeah, well, watch your noggin.
How about you guys stop screaming in there? You're ruining my video. I'm going to make you put money in the swear jar.
Okay,
I'm making a video.
Today,
I don't care. I'm making a video.
mouse
Oh my
jars
gosh.
can very like.
I'm cutting all of this out.
Your what?
Except the part where you look at the camera.
Oh.
Tutorial. He's like actually the worst. We're just gonna start with our pillows. King size are so cute. is the guest suite. Now for the final client reveal. Just joking, it's just Josh. Like a new bedroom.
I love it. This looks really good. That's
Ralphie
like a
is staying
5-star
here.
resort.
Stay tuned to see the actual reveal with my real client. He will be back in town in a few months, but in the meantime, we'll share more design projects.